Good morning children, welcome for today's lecture. Today also I am not going to teach a lesson, but we are going on with the grammar topic. Yesterday I had given you one composition, that is my ambition in life. Very short and simple composition I had given you. I hope you might have understood, and I have told you when you will get a topic how to elaborate and write it. If my ambition in life, I gave the topic. So what is your ambition? Why you are thinking of becoming so? What are the positive sides of it? Then what will be the good points after you achieve your ambition? And after achieving your ambition, what all things you have to do for the society? And how you will end it? All these questions if you will answer, you make a short paragraph and write. And always write, understand the tense and write the in present tense or past tense or future tense according to the situation. Taking into consideration the tenses, you can write the composition. So yesterday I had given my ambition in life composition. One more composition I will be giving later on in the next lecture. Today I am giving you, see, you are having dialogue writing and conversation, isn't it? Dialogue writing topic is also there. So how to write a dialogue writing? And remember, again and again I am telling you, this is not only for 7th standard, this is applicable for higher standards too. So try to understand the base of it, the basic rules, so that you can, after if you follow those rules, you can write it on your own. And it's very easy if you will try, if you will understand and write. You can score good marks in that. These are the topics where you can score marks. Understood? So here I have given a question. What is the first question? Dialogues or conversation / it is written or conversation. So what is meant by dialogue writing or conversation? Dialogue writing, di means two. Conversation between two persons. I myself and one person will be standing in front of me. So both of them talk to each other, exchange ideas with each other, and that is known as dialogue writing or conversation. Conversation means talk between two persons. Understood what's the meaning of dialogue and conversation writing? Dialogue or conversation means talk between two persons. First, may let it be, first I myself will be there, and in front of me another person, and the discussion goes on. That is dialogue. Dialogue means two. Di means two. For conversation between two persons. Understood the meaning? Thorough? Come on. Now we will write how to, I have given question here, and depending upon that question, a dialogue written or writing or conversation is given. See, what is the question? Write a short conversation between yourself and your friend, telling him what happened on Saturday about the project SEHH. You may be knowing, no, seeing eyes, helping hands, as he was absent in the class. So what is the question? Your friend was absent in the class, and it was Saturday, and on that day the seeing eyes, helping hands, the name of the project, about that discussion was held in the class. So your friend is absent. He wants to know what all things happened, and he likes to talk with you, and that talk is the conversation known as dialogue writing. So here see, Kiran. Hello Komal, how did your seeing eyes, helping hands session go on Saturday? Myself, you were absent, weren't you? Well, it went very well. We spent the last 2 periods for the session. So Kiran is asking to me that how was the session and how was the discussion of SEHH going on. So I told, okay, you were absent on that day. No, it was very well, and the session took place in the last 2 periods. Then Kiran, what did all of you discuss? Then Kiran was very eager. As he was absent, he asked me that what was the discussion about. Myself, I am telling, we had a brainstorming session. Ajinkya sir spoke to us what could do to solve problems. So it was a very effective discussion, and Ajinkya sir discussed about how to solve the current problems which are existing in the society today. Then Kiran, that's very true. What did all of you do then? Okay, you people discuss about the current problems. That was very great. Then what happened then? Myself, we thought about many problems. We listed them on a board. Actually, there were number of problems. All we cannot solve. So what we did, we wrote all the problems on the board. We listed it. Then Kiran, so what did you finally decide? So Kiran asked them, how did you, what was you people's decision, how to solve the problem? Myself, well, we took the problem of smoking among the youth. See, it's a very effective this decision. Smoking nowadays has become very common among the youngsters and it's very dangerous. So in order to stop it, what all necessary steps are to be taken, that was discussed. Then Kiran, yes, it's a major problem. Kiran told, yes, smoking is a major problem. Myself, we have decided to write letters to shopkeepers requesting them not to sell packets of cigarettes in shop. So what is how to solve the solution? Everyone decided. They told that we will go to each and every shop and request the shopkeepers, please do not sell or keep even in the shop packets of cigarettes, BDs, whatever it is. Please avoid it. If any youngsters come, please do not entertain them and please do not give them. Then it will be solved. Kiran, that's a good start. I too would like to be part of the effort. So Kiran was absent and when he heard it, he told that, okay, it's a very good start. I will definitely become a part of this program. So myself, you are welcome, Kiran. Always you are welcome, most welcome. You can join the program. Understood? So this is the dialogue writing or conversation. Any question may come. This is one question which I have given you. It may come for the exam or we don't know, but as a portion for this in the 7th standard dialogue and conversation, this is how we should write. Always remember, dialogue means conversation between two persons. If you don't know the meaning of conversation, try to understand means talk between two persons. It may be myself and another person standing in front of me. The discussion that goes on between the two, that is known as dialogue writing or conversation. Conversation means talk between two persons. So always when a dialogue writing or conversation is to be written, please read the question first. What it is about. Here it is about the discussion of the project, Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. And the Kiran was absent that day and he wanted to know what all things were discussed. So among myself and standing person in front of me, discussion was going on. What all things happened, what was decided, what was the majority decision, how it could be solved, and at last everyone how they agreed. What were the steps to prevent that problem. All this were discussed. You also can prepare one dialogue writing in the same way. I hope and you might have understood. This is very important. Try to understand properly, try the meaning, because if you and your friend about cricket match, if you and your friend discussions go on about the match, how it was, how the players played, at last who won the match, why they won the match, why the opposite party lost in this match, how they failed, all those things, how they discuss, how you discuss in the same way, that discussion is known as dialogue writing or conversation. Understood? So copy it in your CW. And this is very important. Try to understand and then write. Okay. I hope you might have understood this thoroughly. Tomorrow I will be coming with another lecture. Till then, take care. Thank you.